Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us try to see some example problems related to difference of two squares. Let us say we have an example of this type. A squared minus 9 over 25. We want to use the difference of two squares to be able to factor them out. Okay, so to factor this, we're going to follow these following steps. Step number 1. We want to make sure that these two terms are have perfect squares in them. A to the power of 2 is a perfect square, minus 9 we can write as 3 to the power of 2, and then 25 we can write as 5 to the power of 2. So 9 I can write as 3 to the power of 2, 5 I can write as 25 I can write as 5 to the power of 2. Now I can write 3 to the power of 2, this is 2. This is 2. Okay, I can write 3 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of 2 as 3 over 5 within parentheses raised to the power of 2. This is one of the properties of exponents. And therefore, now this is starting to look like the formula which we know, and the formula which we know is of this kind: a squared minus b squared. If we want to find the difference of two squares, we can write it out as a plus b times a minus b, the sum of the base terms times the difference of the base terms. And therefore, in here, a is a for us. I'm going to write that as step number 2. A is a for us, and then b is 3 over 5. I'm going to write this as write two sets of parentheses, and I'm going to write the base term a, and the second base term we have is 3 over 5. I'm going to repeat that a and 3 over 5, and then in the first set of parentheses I'm going to put a positive sign. In the second set of parentheses I'm going to put a negative sign, and these are the factored. This is the factored form of a squared minus 9 over 25, and this is the factored form of a squared minus 9 over 25. And this is the way we want to be able to find the difference of two squares. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples related to difference of two squares.